Marcel Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, #1 source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is August 26, 2013, and today I will go over a couple of key pairs, starting out with gold futures. Now, as we see with gold futures, we had impulsive wave 1 and 2 completed so far, currently working on wave 3. Now, sub-waves of wave 3, at the moment we see we had wave 1, followed by a 38.2% correction for wave 2, and then now working on wave 3. Now, wave 3, we're projecting it to have a 161.8% relationship with wave 1. Should give us a target of 1420. So we should see prices break above the 1400s again and push towards that level, and then correcting. And as stated before, wave 2 was a 38.2% correction. So for wave 4, we should see a 61.8% correction, maybe in the form of a zigzag. So anticipating that would then hit this ascending trend line drawn from the bottom of wave 1 to give us wave 4 within this count. Within the wave 3 count, subwaves of wave 3, and then rounding out wave 5 should be pushing up a bit higher. Now, as we just take a step back just to get an overall look at the picture, we see that with the larger wave 1, it's followed by a 50% correction for wave 2, and current targets for this pair set at 1440, so that would be 100% move of wave 1. Or if it's an extended move, then we should see it go towards 1540, so in the 1500s. So we'll continue to monitor this pair and just see how things play out. But for the current moment, we're just anticipating that it's going to go to 1420 to give us the wave 3, the smaller cycle, and then we're expecting a 61.8% correction for wave 4. Shifting gears over to the Aussie, and with this pair, touched upon it last week, but currently we're in that first wave, so we're anticipating that we're in the beginning of the reversal. So we got the wave 1 up, followed by a 76.4% correction for wave 2. Also found support at this ascending trend line. So currently we're anticipating that prices will push back down to give us an entry level. So we'll look to enter this pair along at 0.898 and stops below the recent low. So stops would be at 0.892. Enter at 0.898, so that would be a 60 pips stop. And then the projection for this as to where it's going to land, we have at 93, which have been where this price had rejected several times. Did it 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times prices rejected this 93 level. So prices are projected to hit that level, and we're also looking at 95 too. So we could see prices hit that 93 level and then rejected, and then, or we can also see prices push towards that. I'm projecting that it's going to push towards 95, as if prices do hit that 93 level and then correct, we won't have that much room for a correction, as it would violate what we have labeled as wave 1. It would violate that, and the count would then become invalid. So we are looking at that 95, that 0.952 region. So look for this pair to push higher, and look to just hold on to it, and the carry trade will be in your favor. And now, last pair I want to touch on is the Swiss yen. And this pair is very, very interesting in that see that we were in a correction. Yen crosses have been, all the yen crosses have been pushing up for some time now. And this wave over here would be the wave 5 of the impulsive phase. Waves have been pushing up for some time, and then now we're in that corrective phase. So we had wave A, subwaves A, B, C. Waves A and C are actually equal in distance. And then we had the wave B. Initially, we had this area pegged as the larger wave B. But as we see, prices then retested this horizontal trend line. So now this is what we have labeled as the wave B. And for wave C, we're anticipating at least a 100% move. But targets for it are set at 1037, 1015, and then 98. So we're looking for this pair to sell off, so you can look to enter long at this point. Prices are currently at 106.65, and you can put stop losses at about a 60-70 pip stop loss, as you're looking to make about at least 500 pips on this pair going down. So as I stated, just look for this pair to sell off at this point and just look to enter it short at market. Thank you for watching today's video. Any questions or comments, definitely feel free to jump in the chat room. Paul or myself will gladly assist you with any issues that may come up. For you guys trading, enjoy your week trading, and good luck.